y'all. She said she wants you cause you want me got money. That's a shame, bitch. Tryna use for your money. She said she only wants you cause you say she got money. That's a shame, bitch. Tryna use it for your money. She said she only wants you cause she see them fucking honey. Say she only wants you cause she see them fucking honey. Say she only wants you cause she see you getting money. That's that ratchet bitch, man, tryna go dig it for your money. Don't let her try to go dig it. She see you with them honeys, man. She a broke bitch. Broke, disgusted bitch, man, ain't getting no profit. But me, I'm chillin' in the hood, tryna get it in. I ain't got time for no bitches, no time for making friends. I do me, man, these niggas really very scared. I'm just trying to do me by myself, ain't get no money from me. I just wanna hit a dice game and come up. Cause once I hit that dice game, bet I come up on a couple hundred. I ain't playing, she just want a nigga for the money. Middle finger to the most, trying to use them niggas for money. She say she only want you cause you got money. See you flexing honeys, man, she want you cause you got money. She only want it cause you see you flashing honey. Fuck that bitch, she a ratchet, she ain't got nothing coming. She say she see them honeys falling out your pocket, tryna pick it up. Man, that bitch, she tryna pickpocket. Hold up, bitch, stop it, like the watch. Man, that bitch froze. Niggas, get your money. Tell that slut go out the fucking door. I don't play no game like that, cause I'm about my fucking money. If you play about my money, then my niggas gon' be coming, probably just me. I'm my one man army. You know how I do it, smoking hella weed, dawg. She say she only wants you cause you got some money. Saw you flashing honeys, now that bitch tryna use you for your money. She a broke bitch, ratchet bitch, she tryna want it. Man, that bitch, she only tryna use you for your money. That's a shame, man, these hoes using for the money. They tricking for the money. D-Lo, high as fuck. Look, my white boy came in with me, man. We went half on the package and we in, I'm a St. Louis nigga, ain't no bitch tricking me. I've been earth for this 20 years, ain't no tricking me. I'm a OG bitch, yeah, you know I'm wise, oh. D-Lo keep a shadow with him, yeah, that is my Padro. I don't give a fuck about none of these other niggas. I'm just trying to get this money, stack it up to the ceiling. She said she only want you for your fucking money, but I told that bitch keep it pushing, she ain't get my money. She said she only want you for your fucking money. Tell that bitch keep it pushing, I ain't giving her fucking money. Low, fuck that bitch, she ain't get my fucking money. I got one bitch on me, man. Fuck all you other hoes. D-Lo.